You are not back there. I hear you are sick. Everyone else is here. Sid is a seagull. Okay, here we go. So, then the next sentence. The wind was cool, almost cold. Some people have been saying that there's a question here.
Yes.
What is that question?
How?
It could be a how question.
Wow. How was cool?
And
How was the wind?
how was the wind? Of course, it's how was the wind?
The wind was cold.
Cool. Almost cold. Could you also make this a what question? What was cool, almost cold?
Yes.
Yes, you could.
What was cool? The wind.
No, what was cool, almost cold? Don't be lazy. I know, that's why you didn't do your homework until you got to class.
I don't have time.
You had 7 days. 7 days. Yeah, okay, I don't have my phone, but I would tell you the new idiom, and the idiom is, that doesn't hold water. You had 7 days, you can't tell me that in 7 days you didn't have 2 minutes to do your homework? It only takes you 2 minutes to do your homework. Alright, Nick, ready? Whoa, said Slim, go. Dusty. Dusty slowed to a halt.
Where?
So no. Slowed to a halt means Dusty went. A halt means stop, right? Dusty slowed, so Dusty was running, and Dusty slowed.
How did Dusty slow?
There's no the Dusty. You are not the VB. There's no the VB.
How did?
No, there's no how question there. I told you there's no how question there.
Where?
It is a.
Nowhere.
It could be a who question because Dusty is a horse that has a name. So if an animal has a name, sometimes we can call them who. Or it could be a what question. What slowed to a halt? Dusty slowed to a halt. Okay, keep going, Nick. They're camped. Okay, Slim said it in a low voice. He said, no. He said, they're camped down there. He said in a low voice because he didn't want them to hear him. Okay, so he said it in a low voice like this. He said, they're camped over there. Okay, good. Brian, go.
Jeff saw a campfire at the bottom of the stove.
That could be a where question, could be a what question.
He saw the horses gathered in a dark clump.
So all the horses were together, like pushed together. They're all together.
One let out a loud whinny. What that? Said Slim.
Hear that?
Hear that? Said Slim. The mare.
The mare, that's the mommy horse.
She senses sunset is nearby.
Okay, she senses some sunset is nearby. You can sense things. Remember, you have 5 senses. You have 5 senses. What are those 5 senses?
Eyes, nose, mouth.
Seeing, hearing, smelling, touching, and tasting. Okay? Those are the 5 senses.
Oh, I know. There is a question too. Why did the mare sense sunset is nearby? Why
did the mare
win it?
Why did the mare win?
Why did the mare? Because the bond between the mare and her young is
Oh, okay. Well then, yes. Also that. Yes, that's a very good question. Good. So Fifi has a really good use your brain question because why could the mare sense that her baby is nearby, that sunset is nearby? Listen. This is not yours. This is not yours. This is not an easy question. I'm just telling you what Fifi's good use your brain question was. Why could the mommy horse sense that sunset was nearby? And then Fifi went back to what we learned about horses. And we learned that the bond between, on page 30, the bond between a mother horse and her baby horse is hard to break, right? It's very strong. So Fifi remembered that the bond between a mother horse and a baby horse is very strong. It's hard to break. So when the baby horse is away, the mother horse is always, where's my baby horse? Where's my baby horse? And if she hears the baby horse, maybe she hears the baby horse go, right? She goes, ooh, that's my baby horse. Or maybe horses have really big noses. They can smell really well. Maybe, I smell my baby horse. So those are senses. So she can sense that her baby horse is near. Yes, ma'am.
Why did the mare win again? Because
Why did the mare what? Winnie.
Win it again.
That's also a name, right? You can be named Winnie.
Because the mare sense sunset is nearby.
You could make that why question. Yes.
So I have 6 questions.
I have 6, I have 2.
Excellent. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. All right. The mare winning again. Jeffy.
Sound like she's tied to a tree, says me. I think the rest of the herd are
loose. Okay, so only one horse is tied. Only one horse has a rope around his neck and is tied to a tree. The other horses are just standing together because horses don't like to they like to be together. They don't like to be only one horse. Okay? Good, keep going, Debbie.
What's your plan? Whispered Jack.
Smiley.
You stay here and
Guard.
sunset, says me.
Okay, so don't let sunset go. Don't let sunset go anywhere. You stay here with sunset. Good. Darren, go.
Right, said Eddie. Shorty, you and I run down near the cake, said Lynn. You keep dirty, quiet while I touch the
Mare.
loose.
Okay, so then Shorty, Smiley, who? Annie, right. Annie and Slim are going to go down, and then Annie will hold Dusty, Slim's horse, and then he will go rescue the mommy horse. All right, good. Wilson, go. How do Okay, so once he cuts the rope, the mommy horse is going to run to get her baby. Okay, she'll break for sunset. Means she'll run for the baby horse. Keep going. Then. Okay, then Sunset and Annie will start running away. They'll start running away from the bad guys. Okay, good. Ron, go. Then we'll split the wind. Split means to cut something like this. Like when we had a banana split. right? We cut the banana and we split the banana in half, okay? So if you are going to cut the wind, it means you're going to run really fast, okay? You're going to run so fast that the wind, you will cut the wind, okay? It's like an idiom, right? Split the wind means go very fast, okay? We're going to split the wind. We're going to go very fast. Said Slim. Ron, keep going. Kenyon. Okay, good. Elsa. Nope.
No, said Annie cheerful. Yeah.
That is not a how question because it's just said Annie cheerfully. Yep, about 1 million. Oh, so Slim said, do you have any questions? Annie said, nope, I don't have any questions. And Jack said, yeah, I have 1 million questions. I have lots and lots and lots and lots of questions. Okay, keep going. Elsa.
Subject. Okay, partners. Said sleep. See you soon.
See you soon. Yep.
See you soon. Sally, come up, Charlie, and found Sally. Found. Subject. It's she nuts.
Our lives.
Our lives are at stake.
Our lives are at stake. So that means we are in danger. Our lives are at stake. We are in danger because those are bad men and they have guns and they might shoot us for stealing their horses. Fifi.
Slim snapped his ring. Dusty started down the right.
There's a good why question.
Their way was lit by a nearly full moon and a million stars. Maybe now I can ask Slim some questions from Jack, but just then voices came from the rustlers.
Rustlers camp. So the bad guys camp. They could hear people talking at the bad guys camp. Keep going.
They were mean voices.
They were mean voices. Followed by mean laughter. Okay, go, Morris. Halted. So Dusty stopped. Dusty halted. So if you want to make it.
Teacher, may I make this one question?
What?
Why did Dusty halt?
Why did Dusty halt?
Dusty halt because the show went to Jack. No,
I don't think so. I don't think the horse stopped because Jack got scared.
no.
I don't think so. I think you can make it a who question. Who halted? Dusty halted because Dusty is a
What?
horse with a name. Or a what question.
Yeah.
What halted? Dusty halted. Okay, good. Wilson, keep going. This is far enough. Okay, good. Shh. Trying to teach class. Shh. Okay, so this is far enough, whispered Slim. He slipped off Dusty. Keep him here, Slim whispered to Jack, and keep him quiet. So now Jack has to keep Dusty quiet. How do you make a horse be quiet? I can't even make Fifi be quiet. I definitely can't make Chris be quiet.
And the carrots.
Yeah, you can't just cover a horse's mouth. They have a really big mouth, and they might just go and bite you, right? Maybe don't like that. Okay.
Reward.
Yeah, maybe reward. I would pet the horse and rub his nose. That would be nice. Okay, good. Vivi, go. Wait, whispered Jack. Wait, whispered Jack.
Wait, whispered Jack, who needed more information. Dusty was gone. Jack gripped the dress and held his breath. He hoped Dusty would just do everything for a moment. Dusty was still, but then he snorted and began walking.
He snorted and began walking. Oh no! Sophia.
Oh no, Jack, he tried to think about the rules on how to treat
A firm voice. He patted softly. Well, there's a good how question. If you don't have a how question yet, there's your good how question. All right. There, I saw 6 good questions in there. Did you find your good 6 questions?
Yes.
All right. Good. Take out your Quizlet books. Yes, ma'am. I just turned. Did you see me just play with the AC?
No, I didn't.
I went over there. I fixed the AC.
AC.
Now it should not be cold.
AC hot. Number 1.
Nick, you can say the mommy horse or the mare. The mare. M-A-R-E. The mare means mommy horse. Okay, number 1 is surname. You have to write your surname. If you don't know your surname, ask me. Say it in Chinese. I will help you. Like Chris, he said my surname is Kuo. So yes. Xie. X-I-E. L-I-U or L-U? F-U. C-H-O, yeah. Z-H-E-N or C-H-E-N. Everybody else? Everybody else knows their surname? What?
Number 2 is initial.
Yeah, my surname is
Teacher, number 2.
What?
Number 2.
Yeah.
Teacher, number 2 is.
Number 2 is your initials. What are your initials? Should be easy. Your English first name. Your Chinese surname. Easy. What are your initials? Number 3 is describe. Listen to me. You have to say, I can describe this. And then you have to describe it. Okay? So, the sentence on the whiteboard was, I can describe a pen. This is a red pen. Now, you cannot use pen. So you can't write pen. Describe something else. This is my dog. He is brown and furry. This is Brian. He is also brown and furry.
This pencil is long.
Yes, when you describe things, you need to use adjectives. Describing things is all about adjectives.
It's yours.
What?
This is yours.
That's not mine. Yes.
这边你有猫咪。你有看过吗？
没有。
Okay, next is sign your name or sign her name or sign someone's name. Sign a name.
Sign my name.
I lose 2 stars when my mommy does not sign her name.
How to spell communication book?
You have a communication book, you should know how to spell it.
Wow.
You don't have it now.
I have it now.
You do have it now?
Yes.
Bad Brian.
Diane.
Oh, you have an old communication.
Green.
Y-U-N.
Y. 所以是
Green.
N
所以你的名字叫云朵棉花。
Y-U-N
Y-U-N. Right?
阳光才有小白绿云
So her name is Mandy Liu, right? So her initials are ML. We already did this.
云朵棉花。
We talked about this.
还要多买个东西。
In or on? I would say in. Next is a bank. A bank. Yes, Alice. You know what sign plus ED is? A bank.
多词语。
童年夏日棉花糖，童年夏日棉花糖，看我
云朵
们
棉花糖。
那个书上的，
Hey.
那个老师写 number Chris，number Chris 是谁？
Number 6
放
is
不哟。
what?
Write a check. Write a check. Party.
Write a check.
Write a check. Why did you write a check?
It's a quiz over.
Oh.
Write a check is a quiz.
皮皮每天都跟我说一些奇怪的。
Hey, Mandy, stop talking.
给他来，
蛮喜欢阿爸阿爸。
给他来。
You can write anything you want. If it's correct, then it'll be good. If it's not, then no.
Why number 6?
Write a check.
What is number 6?
Write a check.
Oh.
Open your ears, Miss Alice.
你们的耳朵。
你的鼻子长得很像。Who's the dolphin? Q-I. 我不会比。And the last one is
QIDLET. 谢谢。
the last one is a bank, right?
No, we already did a bank.
A coat. A coat.
A coach.
Ouch.
Couch.
Not a coach. A coach is like a teacher, right? You have like a soccer coach. Tells you how to play soccer. A couch does not tell you to do anything. A couch is just soft and comfortable. And good for watching TV. Yes, ma'am. $100 check. Good.
What?
Yeah.
童年夏日棉花糖，卖棉花糖老爷是 Mandy 的，Mandy 变性了，他多了吧？他没有成功，因为他在下大地震，童年。
他没有童年，因为他不知道爱冒险的怎么啦。
有去上课吗？有啊，没有吧？
All right, take out your big books.
Yes.
Yeah, of course you're 7. Of course you have to write number 7. Everybody has to write number 7. Even you. A couch. Please write number 7. It is a couch.
This is favorite. 他把他的云朵棉花糖塞到沙发里，有没有？没有，没有。然后他的沙发是一种袖子。
Darren. If I hear one more word of Chinese from anyone in this class, everyone is going to write 100 times. Do you understand?
Yeah!
Ryan, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
Darren, I'm talking to you. Chris, I'm really talking to you. I moved this up. It's not cold anymore.
Yes!
I moved it up, so it's not pointing down at you anymore. It's pointing up at the ceiling. It is fine in here now. Sandy, it is not time to eat soccer balls. Please eat your soccer balls later. All right, Phoebe is the person who made everybody write 100 times.
Oh! Jellyfish.
No, that's Mandy. Fifi is the one who is speaking Chinese.
Besides jellyfish.
Is a
All right, here we go. Ready?
Sorry.
All right. That's the last time. No more. Not even one. Okay? All right, here we go. We are on page 155. All right, 155. We are, oh, you know how to do this. You look at all those things. So all these words, sing, sit on a sofa or a couch. So sofa and couch are the same. Sleep, swim, watch TV, television, a cat, a dog, a fish bowl, a floor, a lamp, a living room, a rug. What is a rug? No, that's a rag. A rag is something that you clean your bathroom with. Right? A rug is on the floor. It goes on your hard floor.
Mandy's dog.
Okay, that is a rug. Alright, next. Hey! Alright, next is a singer, a TV set or a television set. Alright, Nick, what are Nate and Lisa doing in this picture?
They are watching TV.
They are watching TV is a good answer.
Yes.
Number 2, Brian, what do you see in the picture?
I see a clock.
You see a clock. That's good. There is a clock in that picture. Number 3. Okay, no, do not do any of the next part yet. I did not say do any of the part. Put your pencils down. Pay attention.
What is this?
Okay, hold on. Number 3. Jeffy, are Nate and Lisa in the kitchen?
No, they are.
No, they aren't is the correct answer. No, they aren't is a good answer. Darren, where is the lamp?
There has number 2 question. Where are they? Where are they?
Okay, shh. Chris, quiet. Where is the lamp? Does this help?
Oh, no.
Okay. Where's the lamp? Is not an answer.
Is on the floor.
No, lamp. This is a lamp. A lamp.
It's near the couch.
Couch. It's near the couch. It's beside the couch. It's on the floor. Any of those would work. Number 5. Wilson, where is the rug? Wilson, this is the rug. I know it's hard to see in your book. The rug is red.
It's all.
The rug is on the floor. Good. Ron, where is the dog? Say rug. Say rug. Yes, the dog is on the rug. Elsa, where is the cat?
The cat is on the sofa.
Yes, but it's not the sofa here. It's a couch because couch is your Quizlet word. Yes, couch, on the couch. Where is the cat walking? Fifi.
No. No, it's not.
No, it's not, or no, it isn't. What is the cat doing? Yes, still Fifi. What is the cat doing?
The cat is sleeping.
The cat is sleeping because there are 24 hours in a day, and cats sleep 22 hours every day.
Woo!
Cats love sleeping. Maybe it's 18 hours, but still, it's a lot of sleeping. All right, Morris. 5:19. Morris, what is the dog doing?
The dog is sleeping.
The dog is sleeping. Wilson, what is on top of the TV?
Fish tank is on top of.
Okay, you can say a fish tank, that is correct, or you can say a fish bowl is on top of the TV. We're gonna finish. Miffy, is the fish watching TV? No, it isn't. Sophia, what is on the TV screen?
What is that?
Singer.
So look at your words. So what is on the TV screen? A guitar is on the TV screen. I mean, a singer. I would say a singer is on the TV screen. And wait. Sophia, what are Nate and Lisa watching? They're watching. Well, they're watching like
A singer.
They're watching a singer on TV. Okay, go take a break.
Grandma. Grandma.
Nick, did you just speak Chinese?
Elderly grandma.
Quiet! Do your book now. Close your mouth. Do your book. Thank you. All right, number 1, Chris, go.
Nate and Lisa are watching TV. They like to watch TV.
They like to watch TV. They are watching TV. They like to watch TV. Number 2, Alice, go. They are sitting on a sofa. That is correct. Number 3, Ryan.
They aren't sleeping.
They aren't, are not sleeping, aren't sleeping. Number 4, Miffy.
There is a rug on the floor.
There is a rug on the floor is correct. Number 5, Sophia.
A dog is sleeping on the rug.
A dog is sleeping on the rug. We talked about a rug. A rug is first. Then when you talk about it 2 times, then it becomes the rug because we know what rug we're talking about. Mandy, number 6.
Number 6, a cat is sleeping on the sofa.
A cat is sleeping on the sofa. Right, it is a sofa first, and then the sofa. Next page. Okay, it's the same thing. Draw a picture, talk on the phone, talk to someone, talk to each other. Each other is talk to each other. Like if I'm talking to Mandy and Mandy is talking to me, then we are talking to each other. Quiet, Mandy. I said quiet. Then a clock, a calendar, a heart. What is a heart? Everybody in this room has one. Okay, so when I ask you, you can then say Chinese, okay? Raise your hand. What is a heart? Okay, all right, that's your heart. Cool. A phone, a telephone, a picture of a mountain, a piece of paper, a telephone book, a wall. What is a telephone book? What is a telephone book?
Put 电话簿 the telephone numbers in it.
Right, yeah. So before everybody had all the telephone numbers in their phone, we used to have telephone books. And if you wanted to find Alice's phone number, you would look up Alice in the phone book, and then it would say, oh, Alice's phone number is this. And then you could call Alice, okay? All right, next, exercise, let's see. Make sentences about the picture. Every sentence needs to have a preposition. Every sentence needs to have a preposition, and we are on Fifi. Fifi, look at this picture. Make a sentence about this picture.
Snake and cats are cold.
Remember, every sentence needs to have a preposition. We took a test last week about prepositions and nouns and verbs. What is a preposition, everybody?
And
Right, those are prepositions. What is a preposition in Chinese?
介系词
Okay, Phoebe, go.
Snake and cats are
Kate.
Kate.
Okay, no, you cannot sit on the floor. If you're just gonna sit on the floor and laugh, no, sit on your chairs.
talking online. I'm talking on the phone.
On the phone or on a telephone. Yes, they're talking on a telephone. All right, Morris, number 2, make another sentence about this picture. Kate is drawing a picture. What is the preposition in your sentence? There is no preposition in your sentence. What?
Paper. On the paper.
Okay, he is drawing a picture on a piece of paper. Paper is uncountable. All right, Wilson, make a sentence about this picture. Wilson, any sentence about this picture. What is Nick talking to?
Huh?
Is Nick talking to the refrigerator? What? Make a sentence, not a question. You need to make a sentence with a preposition. What is a question? Don't make a question. Make a sentence. Wilson, can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the words above the picture? Can you use those words to make a sentence about the picture with a preposition? There you go. A picture of a mountain is on the wall. Very good. Darren, make a sentence.
Kate is sitting on a chair.
Kate is sitting on a chair. Ron.
Is on the phone.
Huh? One more time. What is the is? Nick. Nick is?
On the phone.
No, you cannot use a be verb and a regular verb.
He's talking.
Is talking on the phone.
No, he's not. He's sitting right there. Yes, good. All right, last one. Elsa.
There is a picture of a mountain on the wall.
That's what Wilson said. Are you copying your brother?
There is a calendar on the wall.
There you go. There's the calendar on the wall. All right, everybody. Looking at grammar, exercise 48. Choose the correct completion. Jack lives in China. In China. You don't live at China. You don't live on China. You live in China. All right, go. Do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you finished?
No.
Oh, okay. Andy, that sounded a lot like Chinese.
I don't know. No. Chinese. No.
I'm just gonna write that sentence that everybody's gonna have to write. Just so you know.
Fish. What?
Spoke English in class after teacher was told us we couldn't speak any English.
So, whoever speaks English in class, your name is going to go here. And everyone in class is going to have to write your name 100 times. If it's Mandy, you're going to have to write this sentence. Mandy spoke English in class after Teacher Wade told us we couldn't speak any English. So everyone is going to be really angry with you because they get to write your name 100 times. Don't do it. Okay. All right. Next, number 2. I think we ended with Phoebe. Go.
I need to buy a new notebook.
To buy is correct. I need to buy. You can't have need buy because that's 2 verbs together. Morris, number 3.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, could you please give me something? I'm
Thirsty.
very thirsty. Yes. Wilson, go.
There are 22 desks in this room.
Are you sure?
No.
I think it's only 17. Number 5. Nippy.
In the front of.
It is B. B is the correct answer. Do you have B?
The
Phoebe?
pilot is not sitting in the sky. Sitting in the sky. Sitting.
Yes. So if you wrote A, pilots sit in front of an airplane, that means the pilots are sitting in the sky. Yes, you don't want to write A. All right, please check your answers. Sophia, number 6.
I live on 601
Avenue. No, that is not correct. It is at. C is the correct answer. Did you write C?
Yes.
Number 7, mango.
The students aren't waiting. What? Don't want to do their homework.
You got 2 wrong. There's only 3 answers, Mandy. What's the correct answer?
C.
C. The students don't want to do their homework. That's why you are in the homework club. Number 8. Chris. No, wait, sorry. Yeah, Chris. Sorry.
Is there a TV in Marissa's bedroom?
Is there a TV in Marissa's bedroom? That is correct. Exercise 49. You are Teacher Wade. You find the mistakes in the sentences. Put it away. Pay attention. Number 1. Do you want to go downtown with me? Do you want to go downtown with me?
No.
Some sentences have two mistakes.
Mr. Rice. Mr. Rice.
Do you want to do your writing assignment today?
No.
No.
Yeah.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
I think we did. Chris.
Thank you. Okay.
There are other problems.
No, this is correct. This is not. We didn't need to change cities. Like many big cities, this is correct. So there are many problems. But you went too far. Can't have verb plus S action.
Burger is unique.
You're not finished. All right, come on. You got one correct. Okay, two correct. So this one, maybe. You did good on 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, are you? Mandy, take back his coat. Grandma.
Quiet.
Grandma food. Elderly old
Mandy,
grandma.
Ryan, you can be quiet.
You could. That would be nice, Ryan. Thank you.
Right.
What day is today? Sure.
What?
What's selected?
Okay, you're going to have to be very careful about checking. You're going to have to listen very carefully because I think you are really bad at this. Like, really bad.
Huh?
dirty? Did you play with poo-poo?
Yes.
Whose poo-poo are you playing with?
Yes.
All right, here we go. I'll check Fifi's while she's gone.
Yeah.
She's knocking all those correct, I'm sure. All right, we left off on Nick. Nick, so number 1 is, do you want to go downtown with me? What is number 2? Right, not there is, it's there are. There are many problems in big cities today. So there's only one mistake. You have to change apostrophe S to R, or change it to apostrophe RE. There are many problems in big cities today. Number 3, Brian.
I'd like watch a movie tonight.
No, the main problem in here is 2. I'd like to see a movie tonight. You can change it to I'd like to watch a movie tonight, but we do say, hey, do you want to see a movie with me? I know, I tell you, you can't say see a movie, but with TV, you can't say, hey, let's see TV. You have to say, let's watch TV. But with a movie, it means go to see a movie. And yes, when you're there, you are watching a movie. You are not seeing a movie. You are watching a movie. But yes, this is correct. I'd like to see a movie tonight. That is correct, but you have to put the 2 in, okay? I'd like to see a movie tonight. All right, Jeff B, number 4.
We need to find a new apartment.
Very good. We need to find a new apartment soon. We need to find a new apartment. There is no are needing. Okay, that's one of those we don't put an ing on. Need is we don't put an ing. So we need to find a new apartment soon. Good. Number 5, Darren.
Mr. Rice would like to have a cup of tea.
Right, this is where there's 2 mistakes. Would, no S. Like, no S. Would like a cup of tea. Did you correct this? No. Would like, no S, no S. Would like a cup of tea. Okay, Wilson, number 6. That's it, you just switch there are to are there. How many students are there in your class? Good. Morris, 7.
What day is it?
So you can change, so you can switch what day is it today, or you can take out the it. What day is today? Okay? So if you did one of those things, you're okay. Fifi, number 8.
I like to.
Eh.
I like.
Eh, eh, eh.
I like.
Would like.
Oh.
I would like to leave right now. I would like to leave right now. You would like to go wash your hands.
I would like to leave right now.
Okay, good job. Mandy, 9.
How with
Eh,
How
winter
eh.
house
winter
The weather
weather
in Kenya. There's no the. One more time, Mandy, go.
house
the weather
the house where the weather
the weather
Kenya, Mandy, one more time, go.
house the weather
What is weather, Mandy? Chinese.
天气
Thank you.
Sophia, go.
The teacher would like to check our homework.
To check. The teacher would like to check our homework. What? You thought homework was spelled wrong?
homework.
No, homework is uncountable. You cannot put an S on homework. Homework, never an S. All right, so really, hey, this will be on the test. You will have something like this on the test. I don't think you guys did very good on being teacher Wade. You would not be a good teacher Wade. That's why being teacher Wade is so difficult. Because all of you make all of these mistakes so many times.
We can be friends.
No, be teacher Wade. Think like teacher Wade. Be correct. All right, next. Exercise 50, looking at grammar. Complete the sentences with your own words. Use your own paper. Don't use your own paper. Just use your own words. Okay? Go. Use your own words, Mandy. Use your own brain. Not Phoebe's brain, not my brain. Put that away or I will throw it in the garbage.
No garbage.
I
need a teacher.
where?
Shh.
Teacher, right?
Yes, right.
Where?
Right in the little tiny places. You can do it. You write small. Brian's going to have a problem. Brian writes giant letters. You write tiny, tiny little letters. You're not going to have any problem.
Nice.
Go.
Nothing.
No Chinese.
No Chinese.
Right, no Chinese. Good. Please don't speak Chinese.
I need
Enjoy.
pen.
Oh, that's a very nice one. A very
Zero
small pen for writing
plus
small.
1.
Yeah, 0.1. That's a really, really good for writing small things. Okay, wait. Stop. How about we just make these sentences?
Okay.
Okay, and don't write these sentences.
Alright, good. This is
All right, then we're on Mandy again. Mandy, number 1.
I need
No pen, no apple, no table,
No cats.
no cat.
no banana. No grandma. No jellyfish. No jellyfish. I need books.
I need what?
Books.
I need what?
Books.
I need what?
Book.
I need what?
Big book.
A book.
I need a book because
I don't know anything.
Go to school
I
because I'm in English class. Okay, Sophia, number 2. I want to go home because I'm tired. Sure. Number 3, Miffy. I would like to what? Sit?
Sleep.
Oh, sleep. Okay, good. All right, number 4, Brian.
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water? I sure would. Number 5, Alice.
Do you like a cat?
No.
Do you like cats?
Do you like cats or do you like cake? Right. So if it's countable, then it has to be plus S. Do you like cats? Or if it's uncountable, then do you like cake? No.
A
No.
piece of
No. Do you like? It means do you like all cake? Do you like cake? Or I hate cake. I only like pie. Or cake is too sweet. I don't like cake. Okay? Or do you like cats? No, I'm a dog person. I like dogs. Okay, yes, go.
There is a pencil on my desk.
Okay, number 7, Nick.
There are books on my desk.
There are books on my desk. Good. 8, Brian.
I'm listening to garbage cars. I listen
Truck,
to
a garbage truck.
music.
But I also hear music,
I
alright?
also hear this is talking.
Okay, good. Good. Number 9, Jeffy.
I'm looking at
My book.
my book, but I also see my pencil.
I also see my pencil. Very good. Darren.
I'm thinking about English.
Oh, very good. You're thinking about English.
Never.
Not girls?
Right.
All right, Wilson. Wilson, go. Number 11. This is your opinion, Wilson.
Red car.
Shh. Wilson, this is your opinion. No. Number 11. I think that the AC is hot. See, now look what you've done, Fifi. Now you've made everybody hot.
No, it's hot.
Wilson's opinion is that it's hot in here now. All right, good. Boris.
What's hot?
Boris.
In my opinion, Brian
It's ugly.
needs to eat food.
No, that you can't need in an opinion.
What? Brian, what?
No, you can say, in my opinion, I am shorter than Brian.
Really? No.
I think Boris is shorter than Brian. Maybe. It's hard to tell. We only have opinion now because we don't have them standing together. All right, Phoebe. 13.
How many students are there in our class?
Okay, good. Mayday. You don't think you're surprised? You're surprised that after Phoebe, that it would be you? Morris already went. Mandy, 14.
Is there a cat?
Where?
No grandma, no cat, no
Where?
banana, no
Is there
Mandy.
There's no teacher way. So you cannot use the is there.
A jellyfish.
A pig.
Wriggling, 3,
Is there
2.
Jellyfish. Heart here.
Okay, good. Sophia. Are there some cookies in my bag? I wish there were some cookies in my bag. Alright. No, it is now time to talk about your writing. Okay. Read the sample paragraph. Listen to me. This is about quiet. This is about a happy dream. Okay, so you are going to write about a dream. What?
I don't have time to stay in VW after class.
We're not going to stay in PW after class.
Homework
You already did homework.
Oh, this is not homework.
No, you don't have to do this homework after class. You just have to do QAs. All right, here we go. A happy dream. I am walking alone in a big field of flowers. There are thousands of colorful flowers around me. The air smells very sweet. The sun is shining and the sky is bright blue. There are some tall trees and the wind is gently blowing. Birds are singing in the trees. I am feeling very calm. I have no worries. My life is very peaceful. I would like to stay here forever. I don't want to wake up.
And you're done.
Okay, so now your dream cannot have flowers, birds, trees, blue sky, or wind.
Yeah.
All right? The only thing in your dream that can be the same are the last 2 sentences. I would like to stay here forever. I don't want to wake up. Those last 2 sentences, I want everybody to take out your pen, underline those 2 sentences. Those are your last 2 sentences.
It was an I really love jellyfish.
No. Or Chris.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Or jellyfish.
Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write about your dream. Listen, now look at this. Write about a dream that you remember and that describes a place. It can be a happy or a sad dream, or maybe a scary dream. If you can't remember a dream, imagine one. And then look, this is very important. Use present verbs. Use present tense. Do you see all of the verbs in this? I am walking. That's present tense, right? That's present progressive. I am walking in a big field of flowers. There are thousands of colorful flowers around me. The air smells. It smells. The sun is shining. The sky is bright blue. There are some tall trees and the wind is gently blowing. Birds are singing. So a lot of these are present progressive, be verb plus ing.
No past tense.
No past tense. If you write past tense, I will give it back to you and you will write it again. Okay? I want you to tell me about a dream that you are in right now. Okay? Yes, Alice.
It's sad dream. Can I write a sad dream?
Yes.
Yes, you can write a sad dream. You can write a scary dream. Right? I listen. A scary dream. I am in a dark forest. The bats are flying around.
And a lot of poop.
The pumpkins are talking to me. Yes.
If you have a scary dream, so you don't like to stay there.
Okay, so
in the dark forest.
very, very good. Very good thinking. Okay, listen. Hey. Fifi brought up a good thing. If you are writing about a scary dream, then you change the last two sentences. I would not like to stay here forever. I want to wake up.
I don't want to wake up.
Okay? So I don't want any past tense. I want correct present tense. I-U-E they. Verb no S. He, she, it, they. Verb plus S. Darren, are you sleeping?
No. Right.
Okay.
On my head.
Okay. So think about this. Describe where you are. Describe what is happening. The wind.
Brian is in.
Okay.
Brian is moving.
Are you in the water? Are you underwater? Are you having a fish dream? Are you having a flying dream? Or you are flying around Taiwan? What do you see? Okay? So, this is going to be in your homework book. Write it in your homework book. And it has to be 10 sentences. Listen, 10 sentences plus I would like to stay here forever. I don't want to wake up. So 12 sentences total. Okay? Do you have any questions?
And the title is a happy
The title dream, no.
A sad dream.
A dream.
A dream.
Let's just call it a dream. Okay. All right. Who passed their Quizlet test? All right, Morris, go get a communication book. Nope, go sit down. Nope, go sit down. Today is not Wednesday.
Tuesday. Today is Tuesday.
Today is
Today do we have a little? No, today is Monday, 7. Today is Wednesday.
Reader. What did we do in Reader? Reader. Quickly, Reader.
40 to 43. 155 to 158. 155 to 158.
Okay, so because we have a writing assignment and you have homework, I'm going to say no Quizlet.
No, wait. You got
Okay, now you can come. Brian's first, then Nick. Up for grabs. Do you have up for grabs 2 times?
Yeah.
Really? Then I do have.
No, idiot.
Gotta say goodbye to Nick. All right, Sid. Bye bye, Sid.